Hello, yeah, I am in the game now, guys. I'm gonna play right now. So, yeah, let me check. Oh, yeah, okay, that's good. So, yeah, wait, where's Flying Scotsman? I think he's right behind. Yep, that's the Flying Scotsman. Spawning right in. And, wait, let me see if I can turn on his wing like things. Yeah, it's just turned his eyes. Let me try to fix it. Yeah, we can fix it. Yep. I am gonna drive the Flying Scotsman if you excuse me. So yeah, it's just gonna be silent time. Okay, I am grabbing the coaches now. I'm gonna start to talk finally. So yeah, let me just fix the tracks like that so no one can follow me. Yep, yeah, that's good. That's good. Let me try to get that one. Yep, I can't reach it. Yep. I got touch it. Let me just try to get a. No, let me try one more time. No. Yep. Wow. Guess that was a super jump. Hey, also, I have a question for you guys. What do you call? Like, do you know Samsung, the store Samsung, that sells the Galaxy phones for you people who don't know it? Yeah. What do you call the security guards outside of it? You call them the Guardians of the Galaxy. Am I correct? Oh, wait, my game is glitching out. Let me just wait. Let me just try some. No, I can't touch anything. When I try to touch anything, nothing happens. My game is glitching. Let me just try something. Okay, see you later. Okay, I think that's the thing. Let me just, yep, I think everything's better now. Let me just, when I just, yep, oh yeah, I have something on. Let me just turn it off. Let me put, yep, there it is. Let me just, push the button. Wait, nothing's happening. Yeah, I think there's something wrong, guys. So yeah, I will, try the game again. So yeah. There we go. Yep. Do you know what? Bye, guys. Bye. Okay, I'm back. I think that's the problem. Let me see. Oh, yeah. Yep. I think that is the right place. Let me just go to Quant. Wait, where am I even? Where should I go? Jump, teleport. Yep. I'm just teleport somewhere. Yep, nothing's happening. Okay, nothing's happening for Quonk. Also, Rex, Natford. Yep, Natford Rex, okay, let me just, I think it's somewhere Vigstown. Yeah, this is the right place. Yep, this is the right place. Let me just, see. Yep, I'm definitely in the right place. Okay, I think there's something wrong with that game, so yep. Let me play a different game now. This is a good game. It's called Soda Online. I played last time, and now I'm gonna try again to get the badge. So yeah. What is it mean? Yeah, that's the one that I want. Yeah, boy. This is a new one? See? What do I do? Maybe I'll just go to this I tried something, but it won't work, so yeah. Let me just try it, so yeah. Bye-bye. Down the hill, maybe down the hill, maybe I should do I think that wouldn't happen, but if I was correct. I was very, very correct. So yep. Game. Now let me just play a different game before ending this off. So yep, this is probably gonna be an end for us all. So I should probably see you later. Yep. So let me just try to find a cool transaction. Yeah, I think that wouldn't work, because if it doesn't work, then what's the point of it? Yeah, well, let me just yeah, I am definitely not gonna find a cool transaction. So yep, yeah, it's probably not gonna be a cool transaction. So yeah. Okay, now I'm back. I'm gonna play a game. This one, I think I saw some people in it. It's a good Steven Universe game. The real game is called Steven Universe Galaxy Union. This is just the events because I think I saw something and it isn't normal. Am I correct? So yeah, let me just get out of the game. Oh wait, there's 7 people active? Huh. Then that makes no sense. Yeah, so yeah. Let me just look in the service. Yep. No one. There's not even a single soul. Let me try to refresh. Yep, there's nothing. There's not a single soul. Refresh. Nothing. Not even a single soul. What am I doing here? Let me just go to the Yep. What am I even doing here? Yeah, let's play Plunge into the Scrappy. It's a good game. I got a plunges and more because I wanted to get a character, an engine. Oh, this is supposed to have 10 minutes. It's supposed to have 10 minutes. Then, yeah, 10 minutes. What is it? Yeah, fun fact. The flying Scotsman linked Make sure to like and subscribe for more awesome videos like this. Yeah, I think this video wasn't that good even. So, yep. Bye. See you in the next video.